With half of the year behind us and 3 months of the second quarter's data available, we can clearly see that the market is showing signs of correcting after what was easily one of the longest and most dramatic upswings in our market's history, right? And it's important to keep in mind that this most recent report that I put onto the blog post of my insights, I want you to check that out, for San Francisco and the Marin market update, those are lagging indicators. And what has occurred in the market in the past few weeks and in the past months earlier, those details will not be supporting the current market's status. In other words, if you thought your home was going to sell for the same price as it did in those informations, that won't work. And here's why. Overall, the sales numbers are trending lower than what was compared to in 2021, and the monthly indicators have shown some volatility in the median sales price and the price per square foot. And if the stock market is not supporting that, and we consider that to be sort of like small maneuverable jets, then the home prices are like large passenger airliners. They're going to be slow to decelerate and they're going to be slow to make turns. But a few things I can mention. It's really too early to tell if there's just going to be a softening of the appreciation or if the price adjustments in the short term are something greater for the Marin or the San Francisco market. And the real estate market in general in San Francisco is especially dynamic. In Marin, it's very diverse. And the slowdown and how it affects certain sectors is truly uneven. We've got some homes still selling rapidly and some taking longer on the market. And getting back to a normal market wherein we have traditional seasonality, that's much more of an improvement if you would think about it. In fact, it's even possible to suggest that the distinct cities populated with unique homes and the many aspects of our market are very special. The market is the market. It's not a good market or a bad market, but yet in fact, it's an opportunity for some, whether that's an investor like a 1031 exchange or somebody who's reorganizing their portfolio, or it's an opportunity for first-time home buyers to get in with less competition. If you would run the numbers with your local lender, like I've recently done, I think you might find instead of paying 10, 20% over the property price with 9 other offers just to win and going in without contingencies, you might actually be paying less if the transfer tax were a factor if you purchased at the asking with less competition. Some things to think about. I remain available should you have any questions. I do want to hear back. Tell me what your thoughts are on this and I'll look forward to talking to you soon.